In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a OneNote notebook. Creating a copy of your notebook is a great way to back up your work, duplicate important information, or organize your notes for different purposes. This method ensures that you have a separate version of your notebook without affecting the original. To get started, open Microsoft OneNote and go to the notebook you want to copy. Before doing anything else, it's important to make sure that your notebook is fully synced. This step ensures that all your latest changes are saved and available for copying. To check the sync status, click on the File tab located at the top of the screen. From there, look for the option that allows you to view the sync status of your notebooks. Once you open it, confirm that your notebook has completed syncing. If it hasn't, allow it a moment to finish so that everything is up to date. After confirming that your notebook is fully synced, open your web browser and go to OneDrive. This is where your OneNote notebooks are stored online. Once the page loads, navigate through your files until you locate the notebook you want to copy. When you find the notebook, look for the three-dot menu next to it. Click on this menu to reveal additional options. Among the available choices, select the option that allows you to create a copy. This feature makes it easy to duplicate your notebook without needing to download or manually recreate it. After selecting the copy option, you'll be prompted to choose a destination. Pick the location where you want the duplicated notebook to be saved. This could be another folder within your OneDrive or any preferred location that helps you stay organized. Once you've selected the destination, confirm the action to begin the copying process. The system will then create a duplicate of your notebook. Depending on the size of your notebook, this may take a few moments to complete. After the process is finished, you'll see the copied version available in your selected location. You can now open it, rename it if needed, and start using it independently from the original notebook. And that's it. You've successfully created a copy of your OneNote notebook, making it easier to manage and safeguard your notes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.